everybody!
Hello everyone!
And welcome to week 15 of Babies and Books. I'm Maz.
And I'm Liz.
Now, Babies and Books is all about spending quality time with your little one, sharing rhymes and songs and sharing books as well. So we always start our sessions with our name song and we'll be saying hello to some of you today. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Hello, Megan.
Hello, Megan. Hello, Megan. It's nice to have you here. Hello, Rosie. Hello, Rosie. Hello, Rosie. It's nice to have you here. Hello, Oscar. Hello, Oscar. Hello, Oscar. It's nice to have you here.
Yay! So the book that we've been doing the last couple of weeks is this one, Baby Play by Sky Silver, and it's a book trust Cymru book, and it's a lot about physical activities. So the songs that we've been doing are a little bit more physical than we've perhaps been doing before. So we're going to start by winding the bobbin up.
Ready? Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Wind it back again, wind it back again, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window, point to the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3, and put your hands upon your knee. Yay!
Okay, so we're going to open and shut them. Great for fine motor skills, this one. Okay.
Open, shut them, open, shut them, give a little clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them, lay them on your lap. Open, shut them, open, shut them, give a little shake. Open, shut them, open, shut them, keep them wide awake. Open, shut them, open, shut them, don't get in a muddle. Open, shut them, open, shut them, give yourself a cuddle. Oh,
You can have a little swish with yourself or with your little one as well. Okay, so next we're going to be introducing the idea of showing them where the body parts are. So we're going to be doing head, shoulders,
shoulders, knees, and toes. Ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay, so Liz is going to be reading a little story next to you. I've got ready here. Okay.
It's Baby Play. Peekaboo, I see you. We love to play together.
Peeka, and babies love to see your face and love your reaction as you come from behind where you've been hiding, and you might get some little giggles from them when you do that.
Bounce and swing, clap and sing. We love to dance together.
I'm just gently bouncing baby Teddy on my knee. Or if they're very young, then you could lie them on your lap and just bounce gently, just being careful of the head control.
Or on your shoulder too sometimes. Stack them tall, crash, they fall. We love to build together.
So babies love the repetition of this. They try and sort of figure out what's going on. So knock them down, and then you build them all up again. And they some of them find this quite funny as well, quite fascinating, and quite funny too.
High and low, fast and slow. We love to swing together.
So we're just gently going up and down. And if you want to get a swing, you can just give them a little hug and give them a little swing like that.
Sprinkle, spray, water play. We love to splash together.
So when you're giving a little one a bath, you can have a little splash and it increases their water confidence. Maybe gently splash their faces with the water and maybe point to their body parts again so they can get to know their body parts too.
You can see the little legs give them a little splash too. They love that. Run and stop. Touch and pop. We love to laugh together.
Oh, where's all my bubbles gone? Here we go. Ready?
Yay!
Babies love bubbles. They love chasing them and popping them. And it's great for eye movement and eye coordination as well.
Wave hello. Wave bye-bye. We love to play together.
So the action of waving is great for your fine motor skills for your little ones. Fantastic. Well, that was really lovely. And as it's all about physical activity, we thought we'd have a little sing and a little disco and play some musical instruments. So if you haven't got musical instruments, don't worry, you can just use your body parts and clapping our hands, stamping our feet, nodding our heads and saying, "We are," which we do when you're happy and you know it.
Ready?
Okay.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, shout we are. We are! If you're happy and you know it, say we are. We are! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say we are. We are! Yay!
Oh, and next we've got some really exciting news, haven't
We have.
We are so happy to say that we are going to be able to have our books and baby sessions in the Mould branch. So it is limited availability. We're obviously only going to be allowed a few people. We will be socially distanced, wearing our masks and sanitising as well, keeping it as secure as it possibly can be. But if you would like to book a place, then please call the Mould store on 01352 703 780, and we hope to see you in person very, very soon.
Absolutely.
Yay. Fantastic. Thanks everybody.
Go